guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying a brand called Rihoas. I think I'm pronouncing that right. You'll see it in the title or written on screen. But they're just a really kind of classy retro brand that I've recently been seeing a lot. And I love that sort of fashion and that sort of style, so I thought I'd try a few of their pieces today. And I've got quite the range of pieces to share, some crossing into the autumn winter, some a bit more summery, some a bit more kind of floor length gowns if you like. So it's going to be a fun video, so let's get to it. So as usual, everything will be linked down below in the order that I tried on, along with my measurements and the sizes I'm wearing, so you guys can check out anything that you might like to. But this is the first piece. Now this is the more winter-autumn piece, and it's just this gorgeous kind of jacket, jumper thing? Don't really know what to call it, but it's got this lovely like fur lining, and I just loved the shape of it. It's almost like a cape. So it does have arms, and they're fur-lined as well, and I just get, it's just so sweet. It's like wearing a blanket, but it's meant to be worn. So I feel like it looks a bit more not like a blanket than if I actually just put a blanket on. But how lovely is that? And I love the colours in it. I think like with various jeans and boots when it's quite chilly out, I can even wear like proper jumpers under it because it's got enough space. And then I can just have this as that final layer, but still look really cute in the wintry months. So I love kind of jackets like this when it's like really, really cold, but I still want to look cute. This is just perfect, so I can throw it onto anything. And then it does have a hood. I think it's a hood at least, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it is a hood. I don't think, I mean, then I'll be very, very toasty, but I don't think I'll use this unless I'm extremely cold, because I'm just not really a hood person. I feel like with my amount of hair, I just look a bit funny with them, but that's this one. Up next, we have this gorgeous kind of royal blue jumper dress. Now, I absolutely live in jumper dresses in the colder months. They're just like such a nice way to still be quite stylish, but really cozy. And this is so soft and so stretchy. And I just love the colour, it's so bright, because normally I go for kind of deep colour jumper dresses, whereas this is actually still really bright. And I think you'd get away with this kind of in the warmer months as well. Like, it is knitted, but your arms are out, so you could definitely style this cooler or warmer depending on your preference. But it has got a waist belt, and I just think this with a pair of boots, like knee-high black boots, would be gorgeous. So I'll throw this one on for you guys. So this is how this one fits, and I absolutely love it. It hugs me in all the right places, and even though it's like a button up, so these aren't sewn shut, none of the buttons are like screaming for their life at all, even around my hips. And it's so common on a dress where it's like got buttons that for it to be a perfect fit everywhere is quite rare, and that's exactly what this dress is. And I absolutely love the length of it because it comes to like my mid shin, but then it starts opening just above the knee. So it's kind of got the length, it's a really classy length, but also got kind of just a nice little opening. I just think it's such a nice look. And it also comes in black, so if this kind of bright blue isn't your colour, don't fret, they do it in black as well if you want a more kind of basic one. But it's just such a nice look. I absolutely love this one. The next dress I got is also kind of like a jumper dress, well, it's knitted at least, and it's this gorgeous like optical illusion navy and white skater dress. Now I love it when the vertical lines can kind of give the illusion of a really tiny waist, because you've got to be so careful with lines because sometimes they can do the reverse of what you're after, but I think this one's pretty safe. And I just love the fact that this is a transitional piece, so I could wear it in the warmer months, but also in the cooler months with tights and things, and I really like it, although I don't know how I'm feeling about that dramatic base to the dress. Like, I'm not sure if it's going to elongate my body too much, so let's just put it on and see how it fits. This is how this one fits, and it definitely is an optical illusion, and I think a flattering one, so I love how this like torso bit looks. I just wish it didn't change at the base. I think I would love it if it was just kind of the same pattern all the way down, but I don't think it looks bad having the kind of dramatic base to it. It's just different. Like, I absolutely love it from here up because I think it just hugs me in all the right places, and I love the lining of the square neckline. I just think it's beautiful. But then it is like bam when you see the rest of it, and it does make my body just look very long, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. It's just a bit different. So let me know what you think. I mean, it's very cute, and I love the fact it's like a flared skirt. I just think if the change in skirt almost needs to be where my waist is, kind of like a little bit higher up. Yeah, let me know what you think, because I absolutely love this upper bit, and I love how it's accentuating my waist and the way the neckline fits. It's just the base of it. I'm not sure if it works with the dress or whether it works against the dress, but I think it's very different, and it's a fun one. Like, I definitely think I'll try and wear it because I love navy and white together. It's unusual. Next I have 3 tops to show you guys. Now this one does look extremely golden, but there's a reason behind this one. So I have this amazing snakeskin sequin skirt that was a 2-piece, but I kind of like wearing the pieces separately, and I've been trying to work out how can I style a snakeskin pencil skirt like in a smart way, and I think this shirt is gonna be the answer. So I'll put that on for you in a second, but I'll just show you the other 2 tops that I got that I'll also style afterwards. So I got some navy blue pieces, just because I think navy blue and like white and cream is such a gorgeous look together. I just love it. So I got this ribbed kind of t-shirt. It's just like super stretchy, and I thought that's such a classic piece and so wearable with everything. So I think this is something I'll actually get a lot of use out of, and I just loved, it's like a really deep kind of denim navy. It's lovely. And then I also have this gorgeous kind of stretchy vest top. And this one I just think it's gonna hug my curves really nicely, like almost like just a normal kind of tank toppy vest top, but with a little bit of spice. So let's try these on. I'm a little bit cautious because the sunlight is suddenly disappearing, and I have a few more pieces to show you guys, so I'm like stressing out. So let's try and do this before we lose the light. When I said snakeskin, I meant snakeskin, but this skirt, I absolutely love it because it's such a nice fit. It's actually like a stretchy sequin snakeskin, which I think is just incredible, and it's such a lovely fit on me. And I love the length of it. I feel like I can actually jazz it up into almost like office wear. Like, I think I get away with it, which is amazing, because the top that came matching with it was this like little snakeskin bralette, and I used to love wearing that just with jeans when I went out, whereas this skirt, like actually wearing it like as a 2-piece just never really happened. But I think wearing this skirt with kind of like this shirt or like a darker satin shirt will be such a nice look. But I think this works. Like, it's not really a colour shirt I'd ever go for normally, but I've been trying so hard to match the colours in this skirt, and I think this does it. I think with a nude pair of heels, I am just wearing black ones, this could be like a really fun look. Like, I love it. And it actually fits, like it's not too tight on my chest at all, which is nice. It's actually a really good fitting shirt, and then if I take it out the skirt, if you want to just see what we're dealing with, it's just a nice kind of tailored smart shirt. So it has got nice darting in it, but I've got to say, it's a good fit. Like, I think it's quite a nice shirt just on its own. So even though it's not really a colour I'd go for, and I went for it to like match this skirt, I think it's a good colour. Like, I think I can work it. But they do it in other colours as well. So if this isn't your vibe, they do have a range of them. So check out the website, but I think it's cute. It's got massive cuffs on it. I need to like do up all the buttons, but I think it might be quite cute to kind of maybe like fold them up. I could like tie it as well, you know, like style it in different ways. The options are there, but I think it works with the skirt, and that is all I wanted, so I'm very happy. This is how this one fits, and it fits exactly how I wanted it to. I wanted it to just like sit effortlessly, and I could wear it with pretty much anything I wanted to. So I kind of styled it up here by matching it with like a white little pencil skirt, and I think it looks lovely with white. But I think just with jeans, it'll probably be a really nice look. So I love kind of the cut of the actual like t-shirt. Like, it's a really nice cut. It's quite a high neck, but it's lovely. Then if I take it out the skirt, it's kind of nice and short. Let me undo the bows so that you guys can actually see how it sits. It's kind of like a really lovely length to wear over the top of jeans, or actually inside, because it's not like too bulky anywhere. It's just a lovely ribbed blouse. And it is navy. I know my lighting's starting to go, but you can kind of see. Maybe if I put on this light, you can kind of see it is navy, but it's very dark, and I'm just worried it's almost coming up as black. But I promise you, it's a deep blue, but it's lovely. Love this one. So this is how this one fits, and I think it looks so amazing with white, but also with like jeans. It's just gonna be so easy to wear and style, and I love how this one fits. I think it really kind of flatters the curves, and it actually has like almost like 2 layers here. So it has 1 layer here, and then like a built-in bandeau, so it's really supportive. And I love the wide straps. I just think it's so flattering, and I love how it looks with this skirt. Like, I think this is just such a classy, almost like timeless look. And it kind of gives like nautical vibes. Like, I always think blue, navy and cream or white just looks so lovely together. It's like just so crisp. Like, how beautiful is that? And this one is kind of like a microfiber fabric. It's so lovely to wear. So I really recommend this one. If you like just really easy things that just fit your body, this one, I've got to say, I'm really impressed with. I think I'm going to be wearing this a lot. So yeah, absolutely love this one. I think it just fits so nice. And look at that neckline. Like, that shape is just gorgeous. No, you can't go wrong with this one. Love it. Final thing I want to show you before I lose light is this gorgeous red floor length dress with this slit. Now, this is all chiffon and it's gorgeous. It's got like a bit of ruching going on. It is a high neck, but I think it's still like a flattering neckline. And then it's just got a lovely like tailored back with a zip and then a little button. So I fell in love with the colour of this and the fabric type. I think chiffon dresses are just beautiful. So I'm just going to throw this one on and we can see what it looks like. This is a finale worthy dress if I've ever put one on. The colour of this dress. So this is definitely a finale worthy dress. This colour is so vibrant. I'm just in love with it. And it actually fits perfect everywhere. So it's got this lovely like broad neckline and then nowhere's too tight, and it just has this lovely like ruching detailing. And then it is kind of a perfect length for me. So I know the lighting's a bit poor, but you can see kind of with my heels, it brushes just above kind of the ground, which is exactly where you'd want it to. And it's just got this lovely slit on the left leg that kind of comes to the mid-thigh. So it's kind of a very easy dress to like wear and dance in because I'm not going to like trip over it. And it's not too tight anywhere. Such a lovely back to it. It just kind of hugs my curves without hugging them too tightly. Like, I just think that looks gorgeous. I kind of learned over the past few years, and especially since doing YouTube, that sometimes dressing more elegantly is a lot sexier than just revealing it all. And I think that just comes with maturity. But clothes, you know, they still can flatter and show off your curves without showing off your curves, if that makes sense. I absolutely love the elegance of this one. I think it just hugs my figure lovely, and I love the slit in it because it is obviously high neckline. It's not super bodycon like after my waist, so it's nice to have like that slit, but it still kind of shows off my curves, I think. But yeah, it's just like a lovely, it's very simple but just very classic. I think it makes it really wearable for like a wide range of occasions. It's nice, I like it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I got. As usual, everything will be linked down below in the order that I tried on, along with the sizes I'm wearing and my usual size. So you can use me as a guide if you'd like to, but their stuff is just so kind of elegant and a bit retro, and that's so my style at the moment. So I definitely recommend giving them a look if you would like to check out what they've got on their website. It's all in the description box. But thank you again for watching. My other social media is linked down below if you'd like to check that out, as I do have another channel all about rocks and fossils if that's kind of your thing. But yeah, thanks for watching.